would we get your mom's car and put it back in the water?
Let me put some baby oil and gasoline. Woo! Whoop. Give it turn. Hot lava, lava, coming on. Okay, now.